Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful marble look tiles right at home using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our simple materials, including a high-quality concrete mix, various liquid pigments for color, and sturdy tile molds. Remember to prepare your molds with a suitable release agent, ensuring your stunning new tiles can be easily removed once they've set. This process is surprisingly straightforward and yields impressive results. Now let's get to the fun part, mixing and coloring. Combine your concrete mix with water, aiming for a consistent, pourable batter-like texture. Next, introduce your chosen liquid pigments, adding just a few drops at a time to achieve your desired marble hues. Gently swirl these colors into the mix using a stick or trowel, creating those beautiful, organic veins. Remember, less mixing is often more for a truly authentic marble effect. With your beautifully colored mix ready, it's time for casting. Carefully pour the mixture into your prepared molds, filling them evenly. Gently tap the sides of each mold to help any trapped air bubbles rise to the surface, ensuring a smooth finish. Let your tiles cure undisturbed for at least 24 hours before demolding. For optimal strength and durability, allow them to fully cure for up to 28 days in a cool, consistent environment. Once your tiles have cured sufficiently, carefully demold them. You might notice some rough edges, which can be smoothed by sanding the surfaces with 400 grit sandpaper. This step refines the texture and prepares them for sealing. Finally, apply a high-quality penetrating sealer to protect your new marble look tiles from moisture and stains. Buff them gently to bring out their natural luster, giving them a beautiful, lasting finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.